Let me show you this then. Number 18 has been painted. It's opalescent dark green. It's a lovely colour. Doesn't really do it justice on the camera. Actually, some colours are really good on camera, but this one doesn't really do it justice. It looks a bit faded and slightly blue, but we'll try and get some photographs of it, which we can sort out. But it's a beautiful colour in the flesh. So all the paintwork's been done inside and out. Looks really neat. And then we've made sure all the details are in and specific. Because it's such an early car, there's a few small minor details, which we'll go into at some point, that are slightly different, but we wanted to make sure that, because it's such an early car and it had repairs and things, that the spot welds are in the right places. The panels are lined up how they were. So all the small details that make it really special. For example, there's some tooling holes here on these panels that go along the top, so we've retained all of those as well. And then underneath, we've put a really strong epoxy and stone chip coating on here, like a tough liner. But with our new method of doing it, it hardly looks like it's got an orange peel. It's just a little bit more orange peely than the outside of the car. So that makes it more, well, it looks like it's been painted, but it's still got that strength properties of a stone chip coating, so it'll last for the customer and look quite good for a number of years. So we've obviously put all these details in the arches as well, which often, if you look at many types of restorations, you won't see these details. They'll all have gone, but we've retained them all. Same underneath the car and the boot floor. It's got all the details. Where the panels have gone on, so it looks really nice. Same with up and underneath the back of the car as well, which is really cool. So yeah, we'll polish it. We like to polish it as fresh as we can, so we'll probably polish it early Monday. And then the car can go back to the customer, ready to be built up. By then, they're quite a special car. We'll get some photographs, and hopefully when it's done as well, we'll have some photographs we can share with you. And these are doors that are painted at the same time. You've got it nice and smooth in there, which you see when you open the door, so it's important to get that bit right, but no, nice job.